Now, here goes the thump test. I forgot to show you guys the thump test before putting the strut in, but it just goes after you hit a bump. So we will check this out. I don't know how, I mean, I'm not gonna show my face unless we get really big with this, but all right, here we go, thump. Oh my gosh, nothing. Rattle, 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 rattle. No rattle, 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 rattle. And actually, surprisingly, there is a lot of tension on these things. So when it's bad, it's probably pretty bad with these struts on the newer vehicles nowadays. Before it was, it would just rattle like crazy. But I don't think there's going to be more rattles, so we're going to go from there. I think this job has been completed. Have a good day.